Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's topic is tablet metal detector machines. In today's video, we'll explore how these machines work, why they are essential in the pharmaceutical industry, and how they help maintain quality and safety. What is a tablet metal detector? A tablet metal detector machine is a high-precision device used in pharmaceutical manufacturing to detect and remove metallic contaminants from tablets and capsules. These contaminants can come from machinery wear and tear, raw materials, or the production process itself. Even tiny metal particles can be dangerous if consumed, which is why pharmaceutical companies must ensure zero contamination in their products. How does it work? The metal detector works using electromagnetic fields to identify any metal particles in the tablets. Here's how the process works. Step 1. Tablets or capsules pass through the detector's sensor. Step 2. The machine scans for any metal particles: ferrous, iron, non-ferrous, copper, aluminum, or stainless steel. Step 3. If metal is detected, the machine automatically rejects the contaminated tablet using a pneumatic system. Why is it important in pharma? In the pharmaceutical industry, product safety and quality are the top priorities. A small contamination can lead to health risks, legal issues, and product recalls, causing major financial losses to companies. To comply with strict regulations like GMP, Good Manufacturing Practices, FDA, and WHO, pharmaceutical companies must use metal detectors to ensure their tablets and capsules are 100% safe before reaching the market. Features of a tablet metal detector machine. Modern metal detector machines come with advanced features that make them efficient and reliable. Some of these include high sensitivity detection, finds even the smallest metal particles; stainless steel construction, ensures hygiene and prevents contamination; user-friendly touchscreen interface, simple controls for easy operation; automatic rejection system, instantly removes contaminated tablets; data logging compliance, keeps track of detections for audits and quality control. Applications in pharma. These machines are used in different stages of pharmaceutical manufacturing, such as tablet capsule inspection, ensures the final product is metal-free. Powder granule detection, checks raw materials before tablet compression. Inline integration, works with tablet presses, capsule fillers, and packaging lines. Choosing the right metal detector machine. If you're in the pharmaceutical industry and looking for the right tablet metal detector machine, consider these factors: detection sensitivity. Can it detect ultrafine contaminants? Ease of maintenance. Is it easy to clean and calibrate? Compatibility. Can it integrate with your existing production line? Regulatory compliance. Does it meet GMP, FDA, and international standards? Step-by-step calibration process. Preparation before calibration. Turn off the machine. Ensure the machine is clean and free of any external interference. Select test pieces. Use standard test samples: ferrous, non-ferrous, stainless steel, with different sizes. Example: 0.3 mm, 0.5 mm, 0.7 mm. Ensure a stable environment. No external metal objects should be nearby. Access the calibration mode. Turn on the machine and go to the calibration/setup menu. Select the auto calibration or manual calibration option, depending on the model. Place a non-contaminated tablet or capsule and press baseline set to define a clean product signal. Perform the calibration test. Step 1. Test without contaminants. Run 5 to 10 clean tablets/capsules through the detector to establish a baseline reading. Step 2. Test with metal contaminants. Insert the ferrous test piece into a tablet and pass it through the machine. Repeat the same process for non-ferrous and stainless steel test pieces. Step 3. Adjust sensitivity. If the machine does not detect small contaminants, increase sensitivity. If it detects false positives, lower sensitivity slightly to reduce noise. Verification. Final checks. Perform 3 to 5 more runs with test pieces to confirm the machine detects contaminants reliably. Check auto rejection system. ensure contaminated tablets are rejected properly. Record the calibration data, maintain logs for audit and compliance purposes. Important calibration tips: calibrate the machine daily or before every production batch, use certified test samples for accurate results, recalibrate if the machine is moved or after maintenance, check for electromagnetic interference from nearby equipment, document calibration results for regulatory compliance. Conclusion: to sum it up, tablet metal detector machines are a must-have in pharmaceutical manufacturing to ensure product safety, maintain industry standards, and protect consumer health. Did you find this video helpful? If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing content about pharmaceutical technology and manufacturing. Also, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. See you in the next video.